So we got to find out the region whereby the curve is more than the red line. So by looking at the diagram, which portion give you the black curve above the red curve? So if you can't see, again, you can just use your ruler to put. So which part that give you the black curve above the red line? This small little thing, right? Yes. So, oh, that's very good. A lot of students actually just concentrate on this particular part only. They just thought, hey, only between here and here, but they forgotten about this part here. So this part is also part of the solution, right? You can see this is also above the red line. Right. So what we need to do is we can use our GC to find out the intersection point. You can just plot a y equal to 1 onto the graph here. Right. So from your GC, you can actually just use the function, the intersect function, to find this point and find this point. Okay, so the 2 points that you get actually will be -12 and 1. Right. This point will be -12. This point will be 1. Sorry, it's a bit small. So therefore, the complete solution will just be -12 greater or equal to x greater or equal to -12 or lesser than 1, or x greater than 2.